Dear viewers, today we are going to learn Roman numerals. Okay, we shall move on to the next topic today, that is Roman numerals. Already we have discussed in maths, that is we have completed, that is number system. Okay, that is 4-digit number and 5-digit number and so many subtopics in our previous video. And let me move on to the next subtopic, that is Roman numerals. So in the Roman numerals are special symbols, okay, used for numbers, okay, that is nothing but a special symbols used for, that is denoting numerals, and it is commonly used in analog watches and some type of clocks, okay, that is Roman numerals. And also we can, that is explain, that is position of the number, that is ordinal cardinal number, okay, that is the first, second, third, fourth place. We have to explain the position of the number also. We can use this Roman numerals. Okay, let me see how to write the Roman numerals and some rules and some tips for how to use the Roman numerals. Let me see. That is, our topic is Roman numerals. Okay, this is our topic, Roman numerals. Okay, let me start from number 1 to 10. Okay, that is first, that is 1 for number 1. Okay, this is a Hindu-Arabic number and this is a Roman numeral. This column number is a Hindu-Arabic, normal usage of our number, and this is Roman numeral. And second for 2 and 3, okay, and 4, okay, and 5, okay, and 6, and 7, and 8, and this is 9, and 4, 10. So in your standard, that is 3rd standard, you have to start to know about Roman numerals. What is about? This is a Hindu-Arabic number and this is a Roman numeral, and some of the tip, okay, some of the rule we can apply in Roman numeral system, that is for, that is symbols, some symbols cannot be used more than thrice, that is cannot be used more than 3 times. Let me know the symbols. And similarly, that is some of the numbers, that is V sign, that is VLD, okay, that cannot be repeated, never repeated, okay, once we can use one time, but that is this is a 1, okay, and for 1 and 10, okay, 1, 10 and CM, it can be used again, but it can be used only 3 times, okay, we cannot be used more than 3 times. First you have to write, that is 1 for 1. And for 2, you repeat this sign for 2 times. Okay. And 3, same usage of this sign with 3 times. It shows the number 3. Okay. And here, observe here, because each symbol cannot be used more than 3 times. That is our rule. Okay. For that only, you can't write this number 4 lines for 4. So you have to start this single line and the next sign, that is 4. Okay, for it is mentioned by 4. You can understand, that is never repeat more than 3 times. For 4, so only you can write this sign first 1 and 5. And one more thing, children, if a numeral, small numeral, when you add the left side of the next symbol, this means, that is, this is 5. And 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay, I will explain once again. If this number, this is a smaller numeral, 1. Okay, you can understand, this is 1. Here, this is 1. Okay, and if you write this numeral before, that is next bigger numeral to the left, if you can write this left side of the number, that is it mentions that is 5 minus 1. That is 5 minus 1. So that is, this is 4 and this is 5 because this is 5. And observe this 6. Okay. Here the smaller numeral symbol, that is 1. If you write the symbol right side of the bigger numeral, because here the bigger numeral is 5 and you have to add this sign 1. So it mentions this is 5 and for 1. So that is 5 plus 1, that is 6. Can you understand? And here this is a symbol of 5 and 2 numeral, smaller numeral, if you add the right side of the bigger numeral. Here the bigger numeral is 5 and you have to write this 2 number right side of the 5. So it is denoted as, that is 5 plus 1 again plus 1. So 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 7 is written as this. So do you understand? So you can understand, okay, how, why we have to write like this. So basic, that is 1 2 3, and for 4 same sign cannot be repeated. So write 1 and 5. That is, you have to add the smaller numeral left, that is 5 minus 1, which comes, okay, 4. That is 6 and 7. Similar to the top, here the bigger numeral 5 and write down this 3 symbols to the right of the bigger number. So you have to add. Okay, if you write left, you can minus. If you write right side of the bigger numeral, you have to add on. So that is, this is 5 and plus 1 and again plus 1 and again plus 1. That is 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7 and 7 plus 1 8. So this Roman numeral, it mentions Hindu-Arabic number 8. Okay, and this is for 9. Here this is a smaller numeral. Okay, this is a bigger numeral. Bigger numeral, that is, this is 10. If you can write the smaller numeral, that is, you have to subtract. This is 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1, that is 9. Okay, for 9, this is a Roman numeral. And for 10, this is a sign for 10. So can you understand, children? This is a Roman numeral from 1 to 10. Okay, let me move on to the, again, that is, we are going to write up to 50 numbers. I have to explain the rules and how to put the Roman numeral symbol. Okay, and next one, that is 11. We have completed 10. Okay, next we move on to the number 11. So that is 10, okay, plus 1. Okay, if we write the smaller number to the right of the bigger number, that means 10 plus 1. Okay, that is 11. That is here 10 plus 1. Okay, 11 and 12. Okay, 10 plus 1 and plus 1. Okay, 10, this is 1 and this also 1. So 10 plus 1 and plus 1, it comes 12. Okay, this is for symbol, Roman numeral symbol for 12. 11, 12. Okay, and 13 and 14. Okay, that is here 13. That is 10 plus 1 and plus 1 and plus 1. Okay, that is here 10 plus 4. Okay, that is 10 plus 4. Because here the smaller number is placed in between the bigger numeral and another numeral. So here you have to subtract this 5 minus 1. So 10 plus 4. Okay, that is 14. Here 10 plus 4, 14. And 15. This is a sign for 5. This is sign for 10. So 10 plus 5. So that is 15. Okay. And 16. Simply you have to write down the 10 and Roman. You have already know the Roman numeral of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. First you have to memorize and write down to practice from 1 to 10. Simply you did first. Okay. Then you can write down more than 10, that is 11, 12, 14, 16. Okay. For 16. Okay. And next one, that is 17. For 17, 10 plus here, this is 6. So, and 7, I have to write here. Okay. And 18. For 8, that is 10 plus 8. This is 18. Okay. And for 19, 10 plus 9. Ten plus 9, 19. And 20, okay, you can understand this, that is 10 plus 10, that is 20. Okay, so this is a method to write from 11 to 20. Okay, and next we move on to the number 21 to 30. First you have to memorize this for 20, that is you put 2x. Okay. And next we are going to write from the number 21 to 30. Okay, simply you have to write, that is first this is 20 plus 1. Okay, this is 20 you know, and plus 1, that is 21. And 20, put the number 2, so 22. And 20, this is for 3, so 23. And 24. Okay. And 25. You can write easily. First you have to know the tips, rules, and from 1 to 10 you should know thoroughly. So let me write up to numerals very easily. So 20 plus 5. And next one, that is 26. And similarly 27. This is 20, this is 7. And 20, that is 8. And 29 and 30. Okay, for 30 you put 3x. This is 30. Okay, and you should know for 30 you have to write 3x. Okay, 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is denote 30. Okay, we won't more than 3 times. Okay, we can use only thrice each symbol. For this is a symbol x for 10. You can use only 3 times. You cannot be used more than 3 times. Okay, suppose you won't write from 30 plus 1, you won't write, that is 30, and again for 30 plus 10, 40. 40 should be changed into another symbol. Do you understand? When I am writing to 31 to 40, you can understand. Okay. Okay, next we move on to the numbers 31 to 40. Okay, what we wrote for 30, that is we are putting 3x, that is 30. Okay, so next we move on to the from the number Roman numeral 31 to 40. So this is 30 and you add this number 1. Okay, this is 31. Okay, and that is 32. Okay, and for 30, simply writing 30, and for symbol 3, 33. And for 34, For 4, 34. And 35, that is 35. Okay. Then 36. For 36. Okay. 3 tens and 4 symbol for 6. So 30 plus 6, that is 36. And 37. Okay. And 30, you put 8, that is 38. And 39, that is 39. And 40, that is XL. This is Roman numeral for 40. Because we won't repeat the sign again, that is you can't put 4x for 40. So introducing new symbol, that is XL, that is 40. Okay, and next we have to write 41 to 50. Okay, let me do. Next we are going to write 41 to 50. Okay, for 40, that is XL. Okay, that is XL is Roman numeral for 40. Okay, for this XL1, that is 41. This is 40 for 1. 40 plus 1, 41. And XL2, that is 42. And XL3, 43. And XL4, 44. And XL5, 45. Okay. And XL6, 46. XL7, 47. XL8, 48. XL9, 49. And 50, that is L. L is a symbol used, Roman numeral symbol for numeral 50. Okay, so we have finished the numbers from 1 to 50 Roman numerals, and I have to write one more example for that is common, that is 10, 50, 100 and 1000. Okay, so copy this for your reference, and you should know the name, that is Hindu-Arabic numeral. That's a normal writing of our number, and this is a Roman numeral. Okay, for this 1, that is, this is a Roman numeral. This is a Hindu-Arabic numeral, and this is a Roman numeral. Okay. Okay, for this 1, okay, 1, and that is 5. 5, okay, 10, okay, and 50, that is L, C, and D, and M, that is 1000. Okay. So this is a Roman numeral symbol for 1, 5, 10, 50, for 100 C, and for 500 D, and 1000 for M. Okay. And 3 important tips, that is first rule, okay, that is symbols cannot be used more than 3 times. So that only we have completed for 30, we are putting only 3x. For 40, again we change the sign XL. Okay, can you understand this rule? Okay, you can use only the symbol for 3 times only. Repeat, you can't repeat it more than 3 times. And one more thing, that is V, L, D cannot be repeated. Okay, this is the second rule. V, L, D. L means that is 50, okay, and that is D, that is 500. So you can't repeat it. And the third one, that is 1, okay, X and C and M. Okay, 110 cm can be repeated up to 3 times only. Okay, can be repeated only 3 times. Okay, so this is a introduction of Roman numerals and how to write down the symbol and the 3 important rules how to handle the Roman numerals and write down this number. Okay, you can, I hope you can understand, and try to the other for exercise I will show you simple few more example sum we are going to do to explain simple, that is how to write Roman numerals. That is, for example, that is 3 into 3, okay, and that is 9 plus 1, and okay, 10 minus 5, and 7 into 7. So you have to write the answer in Roman numeral, means that is 3 3s are 9. So for 9, think and write the answer. And here 9 plus 1, 10, you have to write the answer in Roman numeral. For 10, this is 10. Okay, and here 10 minus 5, so answer is 5, have to write in Roman numeral, this is for 5. And here 7 into 7, that is 49. For 40, that is XL, and 9, this is 49. Okay children, so this is a Roman numeral topic we have explained, and you can understand and practice this kind of sums more. You have to take your NCERT book or any other maths practice textbook and practice it, and at least if you become thorough in, you have to write more numbers in random numbers, not only by that is for order from 1 to 50 or 51 to 100 like that. You are taken a guide, that is taken from questions from other your tutors or your parents, and write down this for Hindu-Arabic to Roman. And again you have to practice this Roman numerals to Hindu-Arabic. You have to write this question like that, Roman numeral, and changing into the normal Hindu-Arabic number. Okay, and let me move on to the next topic.